Guys, welcome back. Crypto has been doing its thing lately, and today I'm going to go over it. I haven't changed anything since we last talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and those are the two that we're going to be covering. So, before we go over anything else, do me a favor, support the channel. Do that by simply subscribing and clicking that bell notification so that way you're updated with our latest videos. All right, so Bitcoin trading at 78,578 bucks as of right now, and let's be honest, it sucks so bad lately, right? Last time we were talking about was this like little range area, right? You remember we were talking about it kind of bouncing up, going back and forth, right? Well, we broke past that, what, 4 days ago? 4 days ago, we broke past that, right? Completely sucks, right? But we crashed on down to 78,000 from, let's say, honestly, from 96,000. I mean, we dropped a massive amount. Where are we going to stop? Now, if you remember, we talked about before about it not reaching 70,000 when we finally broke past that when the election happened, and it never has, right? So it never has during those elections. So I'm hoping that history will stay to that, right? And what we'll see is kind of a rebound. Now, it's kind of like finding a bottom, hopefully, right? And if not, I mean, we're looking at 73,000 before we really got another one because we have what happens and back in March of last year, March and April, and then of course in October, kind of making that because we have. And I'm just going to drag these down because they're useless right now, but like kind of this little area right here, and I'm hoping that we will stop there. Now, well below the 50. I mean, we're really working into a bear market. Buying opportunity, absolutely. Maybe not right now, right? But once it finds that bottom and starts rebounding up, if you want to go long for Bitcoin, I think that would be a good thing, considering that we can work our way back. Now, if you remember, I'm always talking about market structure and going back up following major market moves. Well, this is kind of a thing too. If we kind of return back to that 91,000 or so. I mean, we got some pips moving in, right? If we can kind of like find that bottom as we're getting close to the 200 EMA, and then moving back up to 90. Even if it takes a little bit of time, but that's still a possibility. But again, big market moves, it's always determined to come right back down, even if it's going up and vice versa. If it's going down, it's going to that's kind of the trick, up and down, up and down. It's a fight always. But RSI divergence sitting at 20.5. And I'm just going to, yeah, let's see what the RSI is doing. Yeah, 20. Yeah. 20.4, something like that, which is pretty good, right? I mean, to buy, but right now I just think that it's too risky to buy personally. But that's where we're sitting at on the daily. Hourly, it's just like a slow, steady trend. So if you're shorting it, yeah, you're probably making some money right now. But this is what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment. So let's jump over to Ethereum. 2,120 bucks. We have 15 hours in the trading period. Ooh, way below the 200 EMA. Kind of the same thing from the 24th, another drop. They're always following together. That's when I kind of like pair these two when we're discussing them. Is the Ethereum and Bitcoin, just to kind of take a look. Now the 200 EMA is above the 20 EMA, right? Um, but we are still going down, right? RSI is also at 26.29, pretty good. Bearish divergences. Yep. Well, what we could see here, and to move up, we want to see, let's kind of go back. We kind of broke way past that, but that's going to be another form of resistance and support. Where can we find support? I'm thinking around 1800. Yeah, around 1800, 1900, something like that if it keeps dropping. So this is kind of the area, and this is not like super um, specific, but kind of giving it a little bit of area, right? So right around here in the center, we keep getting pushed. We don't have any resistance like at all coming in, especially from the last day. It's just like nose diving down. Well, hopefully at 1900 we can kind of rebound and come back up, but the resistance level is going to be around 2300 if we start to kind of push back through. Again, hopefully it'll be the same thing like we we're talking about with Bitcoin. Bitcoin will actually start to reverse and go back up, but this is what we have for the current moment. All right, the market. As month, week, day sucks. Pi crashed 25.6%, Bitcoin 8.2% for the day, XRP 8.6, Solana by 6%, Ethereum's down by 9.8, and Doge is by 10.3. Litecoin, everything is down. Like when I say everything, like everything, especially in the market cap, sucks right now. Leo's up by 0.1. I'm sure they're celebrating. And fast tokens at 0.3. Everything else sucks. SHIB 9.5 minus, right? Hype down minus 7.2. HBAR minus 7.8%. Cardano's down by 10.4. I mean, everything is absolutely just sucking it up. Pepe said, look, 11.5%. So not really good. Not really good at all. Hopefully things will start to kind of reverse a little bit as we talked about. All this is going to do is allow a better buying position soon, hopefully, right? So we're already moving into March. Tomorrow's March. So what we got happening here now even more is that March, April, right? Hopefully we'll start to see a little bit of balance coming back into the market. But give me your thoughts, give me your suggestions on what we should do in the comment section below. And guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.